Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know how to upload a custom world to a Hytale server. Before uploading a save, make sure your server has been started at least once. In order to do this, you must have authenticated the server. If you don't know how to authenticate your server, we've made a tutorial down below, so we'll link that for you. However, all you have to do is launch Hytale, then navigate to the worlds menu. Then right-click the world you want to upload and select open folder. Then we'll leave that open there for the future steps. After that, you want to head over to your Server.pro panel and then select your Hytale server. Once you're in there, click the stop button to safely shut down the server. This is just to ensure we don't corrupt any files. Then go to the Files tab, locate the Universe folder and delete the existing Universe folder. Then we're going to upload our save from before. You take the Universe folder from your local files and then drag and drop it into the server directory. Once that's all uploaded, all you have to do is restart the server or start it up for all the changes to take effect. This means your save will now be uploaded and ready to use on your Hytale server. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.